cost of starting pure water factory in Nigeria and the materials needed or equipment needed for running this pure water factory in Nigeria, I have an estimate of about 16 to 20 million naira to run a pure water factory in Nigeria. I'm going to give you the breakdown. This is excluding the building. First, what you need is a borehole. Your borehole cost in Nigeria as at today, depending on the debt, you should budget 700 to 1 million naira. Secondly, you need tanks. I will recommend you go for minimum of 5,000 liter tanks, but you will need 3 of it. 3 of it will cost you about 1.2 to 1.5 million. The next thing you need is a reverse osmosis system. The reverse osmosis system, there are 2 types. There is the foreign type and there is the local type. The local type goes for about 1.5 to 2 million, while the foreign type goes for about 3.5 to 4 million naira. The next thing you need is the Dingley machine. The Dingley machine costs about 2.8 to 3 million naira. After the Dingley machines, what you need again, and that is very important, is the delivery van. The delivery van, like this Hi-Jet, costs about 4 million to 4.5 million naira presently in Nigeria. But you cannot buy it, you can buy a tricycle, which can also serve the purpose. You need industrial tanks. These are industrial tanks. Those ones will cost you about 300,000 naira. You also need to buy the sand and the carbon to fill into these industrial tanks. That will cost you another 200 to 300,000 naira. You need filters that you need in the production room. 4 of it, that will cost you for the 100,000 naira. You need the UV sterilizer. The UV sterilizer will also cost about 150,000 naira. You know, as Nigeria is, you need generator to start this business. And you need a very strong generator. A minimum of 10 kVA generator will serve you. So that I'm putting the cost for about 2 million naira, brand new. Then you need a miscellaneous of about 1.5 million naira. This miscellaneous will cover for your first aid box, cover for your gear that your staff will use, cover for surface pump, cover for piping that you will need to do to run the factory, covers including NAFDAC registration, because you know you need NAFDAC to give you approval for your product. The total estimate of this, as I've said before, excluding building, will cost you 16 to 20 million naira. But this is as of now. You don't know what inflation may cost tomorrow.